Did you know that sometimes the moment you think brought you closer actually pushes someone away forever? Hey everyone, I'm a 26-year-old guy and I need some perspective on something that's been eating at me for weeks. I was dating this amazing woman for 3 months. Everything was perfect. We had incredible conversations, shared personal stories, and built this deep emotional connection that I'd never experienced before. She was opening up to me about her past, her dreams, everything. I genuinely thought we were building something real. We took things slow, physically, which I respected completely. But when we finally became intimate, everything changed overnight. She completely ghosted me. No explanation, no goodbye, nothing. One day we're planning our next day. The next day she's gone from my life entirely. I keep replaying that night over and over. Did I misread the signals? Did I do something wrong? Or was there something deeper going on that I couldn't see? I'm not looking for her back at this point. I just need closure and want to understand what happened so I don't make the same mistake again. Has anyone experienced something like this?